Hello everyone, welcome to TextPro. My name is Anushkumar Jawatena. This is a continuation of the advanced Jira topic, that is the interview coding problem. Here we are seeing the interview coding problems. So just go to IDE. Today we will find the maximum and minimum value inside an array. Okay. Suppose you have given an array like int array num equal to curly braces 50 comma 40 comma 30 comma 60. Okay, so this is an array. Now we have to find the maximum value 30, minimum value maximum value 60, minimum value 30. How we will find? Let's assume uh, int max equal to num index 0 is the maximum value. Similarly, int mean, that is a minimum, num num index 0 is the minimum value. It is assumed. Okay, this thing is assumed like in mathematical. Now we will perform is a for loop. For loop for int I equal to, we have assumed int 0 equal to is maximum, and int yeah, we have assumed int max, that is index number 0 is maximum, int mean index number 0 is maximum. So we will start from index number 1 because index 0 we have already taken here. So index number 1 we will start, and we will go up to the length of the array, that is num dot length. Okay, then I plus. Okay, then what we will write the condition if num, that is an index of I is greater than max. If index of I is greater than the max number, then what? Max equal to I, that is a num index I. Okay, what it is saying here, currently the index number 0 we have a 50. Okay, 50 is max. Okay, this is assume that index 0 50 is a max. Now what we will do, we will check with the 40, that is index number 1. Okay, is 40 is greater than 50? No. So 50 as is it. Next move to the next number. Is 30 is greater than 50? No, no change. Is 60 is greater than 50? Yes. So now 60 is basically 60, which is in place of I is 60. That is in num I here. 60 is greater than max value, that is 50. Yes, it is greater than. Then what we will do? There is num I, that is 60 equal to max. So in place of max, the 60 will be stored, and we will print the value 60 here. Okay, SYSOUT. After checking the condition, that is 60 is greater than 50, that max is 50 is greater than 60, then yes, then this condition will run in place of max, enter 60 and print the value. Ah, you can simply print max is 60. Okay. Similarly, for mean condition, what you will same thing. You will start with int I equal to 0. From here, you will check here that num I is smaller than min, smaller than, wait, let me just change the condition. What here you will do for checking the min, for loop int I equal to 1 say, because index 0 you have assumed that is index 0 is mean, that is 50, you have assumed as mean here in this condition. I equal to 0, I smaller than num dot length. Okay, then I plus, then condition if num index of I is smaller than mean, if a number is smaller than mean, means is if a 40 is smaller than 50, then you will what? You will store in place of mean, you will store num I. Okay. Is 40 smaller than 50? Yes, it will store in place of here, it will store 40. Okay. This condition true. Now, but it is working inside the for loop and it will work until the last value. So then it's come to the next value. It will check 40 is smaller than 30. I mean, it will check 30 is smaller than 40. Yes, it will store the value. Again, it will check is 30 is 30 smaller than 60. Yes, so it will is to store the 30. So in this way, we will print the 30. We will get the 30. Mean. See, the 30 is printing. Okay. In this way, we are checking mean max in a given array. Thank you. See you in the next session with a next interview question.